Hey everyone, welcome back to the Leadfoot Garage. My name's Evan, and we are sitting inside Milner, my 1966 Volkswagen Bug that I've had since I was about 17. There's a great video that I've done earlier on a good walk-around video of this car. I'll make sure to post a link in the description and get a card at the very end so that you can click on that and watch it and learn a little bit about this car. But today we are going to finish up the dash knobs. My previous video, we were reviewing these wooden dash knobs from Vintage Aircooled Parts. So I've got all three of them right here. I did have to put some silicone RTV. This one little silver piece right here fell out, and that's okay because it's threaded here and then it's threaded here. So whenever we go to put it on, this part will be threaded in to the male in there. So I'm not too worried. You know, that crap does happen. So you know, just one of those little things. So we're gonna go ahead and get these switched out here. And it shouldn't take too long to do. I'm really excited for this because, you know, I've got the wooden steering wheel and the wooden window cranks already. And this will just be one of those little finishing touches that helps to make the car be very individual. And we put the tack in just about the worst spot. Now, I'm not really worried about losing the functionality for the windscreen fluid. This little button right here, you push that in, and there's a hose that connects to your spare tire, which is the pressure for the squirter. I'm never ever going to use that feature. I would hate to have a flat tire, so no worries there. This one may be a little difficult. We may have to come back to that one. The last one is this little ashtray pull. I pulled it out because there's pressure right here. I don't want this trim piece, even though it's rusty, to come falling off. Pulls out. Technical difficulties. Alright, so we got them all installed. So you can see gorgeous wood steering wheel here. We've got the wooden window cranks right here. The next thing that I need to do is to figure out what to do about these ivory rings. I don't know if I should, you know, get new ones or see if I can't recondition these to brighten them up a little bit. But now we've got everything with the wood, which I thoroughly enjoy. The next thing is the shifter. I've got this really cool Red Baron wooden shift knob, and I've had this for a long time. Get out of the stinking box. So there's the Red Baron. But my problem is the size of this and the size of this do not match up. So I did get an adapter, but it is wrong. It's the right size, but it's the wrong thread. I can get it out here. So basically it should go right over that, but the thread size is wrong. And then this side would go in here, and it just about starts, but it only goes in about that far before it gets real hard. So I don't think that the threading on the outside and on the inside matches these two parts. So that's my big conundrum. According to this box, I believe it's a 12 millimeter thread that you can see right here. So I need an adapter that's 12 on the outside, but what I don't know is what the thread is on the gear lever, and I don't know if there's a way to tell. Now this is an old Impy. I mean, this, you know, I've been driving this car for, well, it's been parked for a long time, but I've had it since I was 17, and I'm almost 42, so it's been in the car for a long time. I don't think they make it anymore. But if any of my Volkswagen gearhead friends know what thread count this is, and if there's anybody that makes this in a 12 millimeter thread, because I think this one was actually for a Subaru. I got excited because it was the right outside and the right inside, just the wrong thread. So I don't know if I can re-thread the inside of this and re-thread the inside of this. I don't think I have those tools, but that may be a possibility. Maybe I try to do that. But I mean, once it's on, man, it's gonna look killer, right? Got all the wood. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks everybody for clicking on that thumbnail and watching. Again, anybody that knows anything about shift knobs and threads and adapters, please leave me a comment. If you aren't a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I don't only do Volkswagen with this channel. We've got that beautiful 1964 Suburban sitting right over there. I have a lot of fun with it. We do lots of car shows, lots of cruise-ins, cars and coffee, things like that. And every once in a while, when I see a car that I really like, we'll do a car review too. So I'm really looking forward to getting out and meeting you guys and doing some more car reviews as well. So let me know what you'd like to see in this channel. I think that's kind of a good base to cover everything. We are going to be doing some mechanical work. We've got the 454 over there with some aluminum heads and an intake that we've got to start up. So yeah, lots of stuff to do. Just got to get motivated to do it. All right, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.